The bass. That's louder. Holy shit, your shit is loud.
Let's have some fun. Let's go.
Remember, your cock is this big.
Huge now. My cock is huge.
So this is the first 30 seconds of birth with the resonator removed.
Straight pipe. Oh god goodness. Turn off the air, bro.
Put the roof down.
Roof down? Am I convertible?
Yeah, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go the fun way.
What's the 30
To the corporate part.
You still recording?
Hell yeah.
Oh damn. My penis is huge. There you go. How the fuck do I get out of here? Ah,
cross. You see that stop sign right there?
Oh, then this is nasty, dude. Woo!
Right here.
That is nasty.
Right here. Ooh. Curve.
Woo!
Right here.
Goodness. We're gonna have some fun.
Damn. Who knew a 2-point back could sound like that?
Yeah, buddy.
Expand.
Hush.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, hush. Oh my goodness. Shut the fuck up!
Still recording.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, whoever watched this video, sorry. I was just holding it for the sound, really.
What?
Half of this was down on my dick.
Oh, nice. I don't think they want to see your dick.
Yeah, you're gonna turn left once you get by the Ford.
Oh.
Your mom's not gonna want to drive this car anymore.
She's gonna know. She's gonna be like, oh my god, it's louder. What did you do? Nothing, mom.
Oh, look, a Ford.
Fuck you, Ford. Fix or repair daily. Yes, YouTube. Ford sucks dick. Fuck Ford. Toyota for life, bitch.
I got a Nissan, motherfucker.
Whatever, Japanese JDM, son.
Uh-oh.
Should we give the people some bass?
No, just give them a rev. Pop a rev.
Hey, I gotta say something, guys. Hold on the radio.
Goes dramatic.
Fuck this shit.
Girl, you be chillin' up. You be chillin' up, girl. You be chillin' up. You be chillin' up, girl. You be chillin' up. You be chillin' up, girl. You be chillin' up. You ain't gotta worry about the shorty string. The chicken hook is too big for the 48.
Green light, green light, green light, green light. Hold up.
You need space in front of your car, genius.
On Ford, let's go. I want to rev my engine.
M3, you want to take on an M3?
Yeah, right.
That guy was at steak and dick.
I want to cut it short, then wait till we get to the Cyber Sports.
And we will resume.